Hi guys, I'm Coach Mary and welcome to Figure Out Skating 101. I am so excited to have you all here with me. Thank you so much for trusting me on your skating journey. Whether you're a figure skater, a hockey player, you're returning from a long hiatus, or you have never ever put on Apparel ice skates, this course is for you. Our goal is to build a solid skating foundation. So we're gonna learn the basics from A to Z in skating, all the skills built on top of each other so you can progress and reach your athletic potential. First things first, what do we wear? I like to always start from a head to toe approach. If you're under age 6 playing hockey or over age 65, I do recommend a helmet. You can stop wearing a helmet when you feel more comfortable, but we only have one brain, might as well protect it. Next, we want to be able to move very easily on the ice. So think layers that you can move around easily with. Anything you would wear skiing or snowboarding is perfect. A breathable, lightweight jacket. I recommend one without a hood so it does not become distracting when you're moving around. I also recommend dressing in layers. As you start moving, you start to sweat. So maybe something like an athletic t-shirt, a long sleeve over top, a zip up jacket, or a pullover. When we ice skate or play hockey, falling is a part of the game and your hands can get scratched up or get very cold. I do think you have a bit more dexterity with gloves, but mittens are perfect as well. I personally love my Cold Gear leggings from Under Armour. They're designed to be movable, but also keep the heat in. For younger ones, or if you get really cold, or if your ice rink is really cold, snow pants are okay as well. Just a bit more limiting with movement. Socks is an important one. The figure skating boot does come up over the ankle bone, so I do recommend socks that go above the ankle. Specifically, think very thin material, like the same material as tights or knee highs. Some skaters even like to go barefoot. Try both, see what works for you. Lastly, a water bottle. You have to hydrate in any sport. I do have a couple of clothing brands that I really like to wear. Under Armour, Lululemon, and Viore are my personal favorites for figure skating. I have it linked below in a downloadable PDF form.